Stop throwing money at GPT-4. A $50 fine-tune beat the frontier models, and here's how you build yours. For most developers, the journey ends there. They hit the GPT-4 API and assume peak performance. But that's just the beginning of the expense curve, not the scaling solution. The problem isn't the model, it's the mismatch. You are trying to use a generalist Titan, GPT-4, for highly specialized, low-latency tasks where its sheer breadth introduces unnecessary noise. Our case study involves a complex product catalog review, classifying thousands of items, extracting nuanced metadata, and flagging critical quality issues. This is where the rubber meets the road. If you throw this task at vanilla GPT-4, latency adds up. You're burning tokens just to guide the model into its optimal path. It's expensive, slow, and often overkill. Enter the engineering solution. We chose a powerful yet efficient open-source 9B model as our base. It has the foundational intelligence, but it needs direction. We then didn't retrain it from scratch. We used LoRa fine-tuning on a small, highly curated dataset of successful reviews and desired outputs. This is the $50 investment. LoRa allows us to inject domain-specific knowledge and desired output behavior without incurring the astronomical cost or data requirements of full fine-tuning. The result? The specialized 9B model learns the exact idiosyncrasies of your product catalog and review patterns, achieving higher task-specific accuracy than the general GPT-4. And here is the payoff: inference costs plummet. You shift from per-token consumption to fixed hardware hosting, predicting your operational spend precisely. We reduced our operational cost per 1,000 reviews by over 85%, while simultaneously lowering the average processing latency from several seconds to milliseconds. This isn't about beating AI, it's about engineering AI. It's moving from renting intelligence to building an owned, optimized system. If you're serious about scaling beyond the demo phase, stop treating your model as a black box. Treat it like an engineering problem. The knowledge is there. The models are available. Your next step is to connect the dots between computational power and business objective. If this resonated with your scaling journey, hit like and subscribe. We drop deep dives into production-grade AI architectures every week.